I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove all section breaks in a Microsoft Word document at the same time. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Word document containing the section breaks you want to remove. Step 2. Make sure you are on the Home tab in the top menu ribbon. Look all the way to the far right side of the Home ribbon, click to expand the Editing section, and then click Replace. A Find and Replace dialog box will open. Step 3. Click inside of the Find What text field and then click the More button at the bottom of the dialog box to expand your options. Step 4. Click the Special button at the bottom of the window to open a pop-up menu of hidden formatting characters. Step 5. Select Section Break from this list. You will see the characters on the screen automatically appear in your Find What text box. Step 6. Move your cursor to the Replace With text box and leave it completely blank. This tells Word to swap the section breaks out for absolutely nothing, deleting them. Step 7. Click the Replace All button. Microsoft Word will scan your document, delete every section break instantly, and show you a confirmation window detailing exactly how many replacements were made. You can click OK and close out the Find and Replace box. And an important note, keep in mind that when you delete a section break, the text above the break will instantly inherit the formatting, margins, and orientation of the section below it. If your document suddenly looks a bit messy after doing this, you can press Ctrl and Z on Windows or Command and Z on a Mac to immediately undo the change. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.